table tennis again and didn't put the balls away, and poor Sam tripped on them.
What's going on?
She's asking what's going on. I'll show her how to tidy up, too. I've got something for you.
Hi guys, I'm working on a new game and I'm making parts for it. Oh! Where are all these balls coming from? Sam, I know it's you.
You don't like it? Well, I don't like it when these balls are all over the house.
I see. Actually, these balls inspired me to make another tabletop game. I've even got all the parts ready.
That's interesting.
I need to start assembling the base. Are you with me?
Of course, I love cardboard games even more than table tennis.
Okay, now we need to assemble our parts on the base with the help of hot glue. Everything should be neat, but secure. This craft has a lot of small cardboard pieces, but that's what will make the result so stunning. And I'll glue these parts here.
Guys, have you already guessed what game Sue's making? I haven't. Write your guesses in the comments.
And this is our finished base. Now we'll need these cardboard strips. We'll use them to hide the gaps between the parts.
Hey, Sue, give me a task too, please.
You want to work? Then cut out these squares, please.
Not helping is bad. Helping is also bad.
But be careful!
I'll try. Catch! It's ready.
Wonderful! Then it's time to glue them on. This piece goes on this side.
Sue, be careful with my pieces. I put my heart into them.
And this piece goes here. Okay, now we need to highlight these openings.
No need to thank me.
No, Sam, drawing will take too long. Let's use these stickers.
Stick them on neatly. I'm watching you.
Do you have the ball ready for the game?
What kind of ball do we need?
A basketball, of course.
Yay! We're going to have tabletop basketball!
Oh, guys, was it a secret? Now it's time to add some height. To do it, we need to make lots of shallow cuts in this piece of cardboard first. There, all over the surface.
Sue, it looks like some cardboard noodles.
But check out how flexible it's become. Let's glue these pieces to the base on both sides. One piece goes here, and the other goes there.
Wow, awesome, but it doesn't look like a basketball court at all.
We've got lots of work ahead. Hop! Right now, we need to assemble these small parts. Like this. Very carefully. Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Wonderful. Now it's time to work on the wooden parts.
Guys, have you ever made our cardboard games? If you have, tell us about it in the comments. Alright.
Now we need to secure these parts on the cardboard base. Look, all these parts are attached on the back side of the board. First, we attach cardboard pieces. Then we insert one more cardboard piece from below. And now comes our piece from wooden sticks and a plastic cap. There. And then the whole structure is secured with wooden sticks. Now we need to repeat the same 7 more times.
Sue, I've got an idea.
Well, go on and tell me.
We can use these stickers to decorate our game.
Wow, awesome, Sam. I like it. Okay, I finished the most difficult part. Now we need to check if everything works. Awesome! It's a success!
Yahoo! Now we can play!
But there aren't any baskets. I didn't find suitable baskets. That's why we're making them ourselves.
Make a bigger basket. It'll be easier to score.
You're too sly. Now let's cut away the excess.
Hey, Susie! My basket's ready.
Great! Give it here. There. Let's attach our baskets to the cardboard pieces and set them on the base. On each side for each player. I think you've already guessed who they are.
Wow! This is awesome!
Before we start the game, we need to set the barriers.
To keep the ball inside.
That's right. Let's attach our barriers on both sides, like this, carefully. We need to make sure we don't displace anything. Perfect! Now we only need to cover our structure on top.
Sue, secure it well. You know how well I play basketball.
Yes, that's exactly why I've covered the field.
Sue, you forgot the stickers!
Oh, give them here, Sammy. They look pretty cool. So let the game begin.
Here comes my first throw!
You just wait, Sam.
Yahoo! Sue, did you decide not to score today?
Well, I'm just practicing. Yay!
Time for a rematch.
No luck, Sam. Hop.
Guys, did you like our cardboard basketball? Give this video a thumbs up if you did.
And write in the comments which tabletop game you'd like to do together with us.
Bye-bye!